It's not just us, folks. It's the whole country. Vegas hitting 120 degrees the other day. That was their all-time record. I know Death Valley was close to 130. I mean, it's hot. Lower 90s. We got to about 92. And then we had some clouds in the airport. That brought us back down to the 80s yesterday afternoon. And now we're just kind of hovering in a very soupy little setup this morning at right around 80 degrees. In terms of Sky Tower radar, it's quiet. A couple of sprinkles offshore, they're meandering away. The showers will begin late morning again. And then they'll start that push inland because of that west wind. I just don't see, and that typically doesn't bring a ton of rain to the west coast. It pushes everything toward the east coast. That, plus a little bit of drier air aloft, you put it all together, and the rain chances today actually lower, about 30%. You know, typically this time of year, 50 to 60% is where we should be. Mid to upper 70s inland, lower 80s along the coast. The dew points, they're not going anywhere. They're in the upper 70s to around 80. So the heat index today, let's go to this afternoon. And you do see triple-digit heat indices. But if you think about yesterday, we were 109, 110, 112 in spots. Today, 102. 99, so we'll be right around 100. I'm just giggling because it's like I'm happy it's only going to be 102 today. That's why I'm giggling, because yeah, it just doesn't make sense. But anyway, very hot day. We're going to push a lot of the storms toward the east coast. Now, the best of our 30 to 40% rain chance, north, Hernando County, Pasco County, Citrus County. You've got the best of our 30 to 40% rain chance today. And then everything's going to shift over toward the Orlando area. I'll bet there are going to be some big storms around Orlando later today. So if you're going I-4 that way, just keep that in mind. And then they're all just going to bubble up along the east coast of our state. It's the pattern. It's the west wind pattern that pushes everything toward the east coast. Meanwhile, what's left of Beryl moving northward up through Arkansas now, of course, it's done. Look at the trail of moisture being left behind in the Gulf, and right around New Orleans, they're getting showers and storms this morning in general. If you check the rest of the tropics, though, quiet. In fact, this Saharan dust has come off, keeping these tropical waves at bay for now. So for the next 7 to 10 days, we're not expecting, see the key term there, not expecting anything to develop. We'll watch and wait. But usually when you get Saharan dust like that, it typically quiets the tropics down for a bit. Hot and steamy, some storms moving inland for you this afternoon. The rain chance 30% along the west coast, 50 to 60% along the east coast. 80 degrees tonight. Overnight lows again on that steamy side. And then tomorrow, tons of heat with a rain chance of another 30 to 40%, rolling inland in the afternoon. Then we'll steadily bring the rain chances up. And I think by the weekend, by Saturday and Sunday, we're back to that 50-50 chance of storms along the west coast. Okay?